Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Ecrett music login problems, subscription errors step by step clearly. To resolve Ecrett music login problems, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Next, verify that you are entering the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your password, utilize the Forgot Password feature to reset it. After resetting, check your email for a password reset link and follow the instructions. If you're still unable to log in, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve login issues caused by corrupted data. If you are using the mobile app, ensure it is updated to the latest version. Visit your app store and check for any available updates. Another step is to disable any VPN or proxy settings, as these can interfere with login attempts. If you are still facing issues, try logging in from a different browser or device. This can help pinpoint whether the issue is device or browser specific. Additionally, ensure that your Ecrett music subscription is active. Check your account settings for any subscription-related notifications. If your subscription has expired, follow the prompts to renew it. If none of these steps work, consider reaching out to Ecrett Music's customer support. Provide them with detailed information about the error messages you are encountering. They can offer more specific troubleshooting tailored to your situation. Once the issue is resolved, attempt to log in again and verify that everything is working correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most Ecrett music login problems related to subscription errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.